According to Romeo, what does Juliet teach to burn bright torches? According to Romeo, who teaches the torches to burn bright? Juliet. According to Romeo, who seems to hang upon the cheek of night? Juliet. Who is compared to a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear by Romeo? Juliet. Who is compared to a snowy dove by Romeo? Juliet. Whom does Romeo address as yonder lady? Juliet. According to Romeo, whose beauty is too rich for use? Juliet's. According to Romeo, when would his hand be blessed? When he touches Juliet's hand. After the dance is over, Romeo intends to do meet and talk to Juliet, touch Juliet's hand, watch Juliet's place of stand. Answer: touch Juliet's hand. Whose rude hand would be made blessed by touching Juliet's hand? Romeo's. According to Romeo, what will happen when he touches Juliet's hand? His rude hand would become blessed. According to Romeo, what was not seen by him until he saw Juliet? True beauty. Who are compared to crows by Romeo? Juliet's companions. What does Romeo want to do after the dance? To touch Juliet's hand. What does Juliet ask the living black browed knight? To give her Romeo. When does Juliet expect Romeo to come? At night. According to Juliet, who will lie upon the wings of night? Romeo. According to Juliet, where will Romeo lie upon? Upon the wings of night. According to Juliet, who is whiter than new snow? Romeo. According to Juliet, who is day and night? Romeo. What does Juliet want Romeo to be cut out into after her death? In little stars. According to Juliet, what will Romeo make so fine? Face of heaven. When Romeo shines as stars in the face of heaven, the world will dash according to Juliet. Fall in love with night. According to Juliet, when would all the world be in love with night? When Romeo becomes stars. According to Juliet, when would the world pay no worship to the garish sun? When Romeo becomes stars. Thank you.